Next, implementation of implementation of AND gate, sorry, adder of adder using only NAND gate or NOR gate. NOR gates. NOR gates. Here already we derived circuit diagram of adder. This is exclusive OR gate. A and B. This is sum. And carry is this one. This is the carry. This is the logic circuit diagram of combinational add circuit adder of adder circuit. Therefore, now implementation of this logic circuit using only NAND gates. Already we derived, see, in a previous first unit we how to implement this exclusive OR gate only using only NAND gate. Exclusive OR gate using only NAND gate. Yes, we know that this NAND and NOR gates are universal gates. So any logical circuit can be implemented using only NAND gates and NOR gates. So therefore, these two gates, NAND gates and NOR gates, are called as universal logic gates. Now here, next, and this is a exclusive OR gate, and this equivalent equivalent exclusive OR gate using only NAND gate. Now, see, we'll draw this here. Next, I'll draw to slide. Here, this is A and B. Indicate. Draw the circuit diagram. And then we'll A and B. Now we'll see this output of this NAND gate is AB whole bar. This become A wire A, and this is wire B. Now here this is AB whole bar. This wire is a AB whole bar, and output of this NAND gate is A dot AB whole bar whole bar. Here also B dot AB whole bar, and output of this in these two acting as an input. Now output of this AND gate is A dot AB whole bar dot B dot AB whole bar, and these two are inputs and one complement. Now consider this as a y. So therefore y is equal to, say if we apply, see, consider this is x and this is y, otherwise this is p and this is q. So this is p dot q whole bar. So this can be written as p bar plus q bar according to De Morgan's laws. De Morgan laws. So therefore, this equation will converted into a dot ab whole bar and over whole bar plus b dot ab whole bar and again bar. So here these double complement and these two complements are get cancelled. So this is a dot ab whole bar plus b dot ab whole bar. Here a as it is, again apply the De Morgan principle. This is a bar plus b bar plus b dot a bar plus b bar. This is again multiplies here. A dot A bar will become 0. A dot A bar plus A B bar plus B dot A bar plus B dot B bar. B dot B bar and A dot A bar will become 0. So therefore remaining expression is A B bar plus A bar B. And this is same as A exclusive or B or not. And this is so this entire circuit, this entire logic circuit, which consists only in NAND gates and which is functioning same as A exclusive or B. So therefore this entire circuit can be replaced by simply exclusive OR gate. Okay. So therefore, what happens here is next carry is equal to AB. AB is there. So this can be represented as here. This is complement. Here A and B are the inputs. So therefore this is AB whole bar. But we want only AB bar. Here will become AB. So this wire is AB bar and this wire is AB bar. So AB whole bar dot AB whole bar and whole bar. This because of this dot. So this becomes x dot x is equal to x. So therefore AB dot AB, AB bar dot AB bar will become AB bar. So therefore AB bar and whole bar, which is equal to AB or not. And this is so we implemented exclusive OR gate using only NAND gate here, and we implemented not AND gate here. So therefore, the combined implementation of off adder HCM means off adder using only NAND gates. See here, this is off adder. A, B are the inputs and outputs are sum and carry. So, and this one is here this is A and B. Here we got A exclusive or B, which is equal to sum. And next A and B is required. This is B and this is A, and these two double bar and again this is C is equal to A and B. Here this is the implementation of this complete implementation of off adder using only NAND gates. Next we see next one implementation implementation of of adder using only NOR gates. Using only NOR gates. Here, I'll draw the circuit first. This is OR gate, exclusive, sorry, NOR gate. Uh, Here, A, and B. Here, output of this gate is A plus B whole power, and this one is A. This water ఇవ్వలేమా నాకు ఎందుకు ఇవ్వలేదు A plus A plus B whole power and again power. Here output of this gate is B plus A plus B whole power and again power. And here at this place, this is A plus B whole power and again power plus B dot E plus B bar whole bar and again bar here. At this place, another bar will come and this, and these two are get cancelled. Now I'll represent this with y. So therefore y is equal to, here y is equal to two bars are get cancelled here. This bar and this bar get cancelled. Now remaining expression is a plus b bar whole bar plus b dot a plus b bar whole bar. This is the remaining expression. Now apply the De Morgan principle. This becomes a bar dot a bar plus a plus b whole bar and whole bar plus b bar plus a plus b whole bar and whole. Here, if you understand this step, you have to know the De Morgan principle first. And now this become a bar into, here these two bar and bar get cancelled. So therefore a plus b plus b bar mm, b bar, sorry, this is dot plus this is dot and this dot, and these two double bar get cancelled, a plus b, and expression is a dot a bar will become 0. So a bar b plus b a b bar, again b bar and b get cancelled 0. B dot b bar will become 0 according to Boolean simplification. So this is same as a exclusive or b or not. So a exclusive OR gate can also be implemented using only NOR gates by using these five gates, five NOR gates, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gates. So again, in next, here we have to implement uh, carry. See, carry is equal to, sorry, carry is equal to carry C is equal to A and B. And we have to implement this logical expression using only NOR gates. NOR gates. Here, here consider this is A and B. This is A bar. This is B bar. Now A bar plus B bar whole bar Then apply De Morgan principle. This is A bar dot whole bar dot B bar whole bar, which is same as A dot B. Therefore, this implementation. Now the implementation of this logic circuit to ladder circuit is and with meaning. To me. Some and next one is A complement. Next B, that is B. This is A complement. Yeah, here implementation of here this function as exclusive OR gate, XOR gate using only NOR gates, and this is similar to AND gate. AND gate. So therefore, implementation of adder circuit using only AND gates and using only NOR gates. Here this is using only AND gates, and this function is exclusive OR gate, and this is AND gate using only NAND, only NAND. Whereas the implementation of using only off adder using only NOR gates. This is the implementation of exclusive OR gates, and this is the implementation of AND gate, and this is the implementation of both here. Here, this is a both. This sum, and here is a cap. Both sum and cap. This is all about off adder circuit. Thank you.